Asa? Hello?
Hello?
Everybody.
Hello?
Tumingin ka dito. Dito ka humarap. Pag ibibideo ka, sa akin ka nakaharap. Umayos ka ng ano mo. Humarap ka dito. Yan. Yan. Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
My name?
My name is Riker Lewis Mejia Guapo.
I'm
6 years old.
I live
I live Pangasinan,
I live in Malasiki.
Malasiki, Pangasinan.
My birthday
My birthday is July. Expression
is on
is on
July
July
17,
17,
2019.
2019.
My father's name
My father's name is Ronald Alan Mejia
and
and my mother's name Ria May Mejia Pretty.
my best
My best to go
experience
experience to is
when
when
we go.
we go to the Manila Zoo
And
and
I saw
I saw a lion and a crocodile and a white tiger and a tiger or tiger.
my favorite color
My favorite colors is blue, yellow, orange.
my favorite movie
My favorite movie is Lion King and Jurassic World.
I'm excited to go
I'm excited to go
to the school
to the school
because
because
I want
I want
to meet
to meet my new teacher and classmate
and my new
classmates
and
and
make friends
make friends to them
with them.
with them.
That's all. Thank you.
That's all. Thank you. Bye bye guys. I like